Okay, let's sit there. Okay, who ordered? Ready? Ready? Who ordered it? Frank? Did you order this? Tony? Who ordered the burger? Sorry it's late. Had a little bit of problem with certain somebody who will remain nameless because they gave me wrong instructions on this burger. Alexa, remember I said you were staying in the naughty corner for a few days? Well, make it a month.
Was that meant for me?
Yes, naughty corner for you for a month. You almost tried to kill me tonight.
Okay.
Fucking bitch. No, I can't. No, Zoe likes it rare, but like that has to be. I mean, she likes it rare, but I mean, you can't die. I ate raw food when in Bahamas. We went to this place and they had steak tartare, and I didn't. I like just the idea of it. It made me nauseous, right? And then they brought over a bowl, and it was like seasoned with Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, garlic, and all these seasonings, right? And you just took a spoonful of it, and it was delicious. I don't know how the meat was absolutely amazingly tasting. And then I was like thinking, I'm still eating raw meat. So I called over the waiter. I go, is this actually safe to do? Because I was like, curious, right? Because steak tartare is raw chopped meat. Like when you get chopped meat in the butcher,